At least 93 people are reported dead or missing following an Israeli airstrike on a residential building in Beit Lahia, northern Gaza, according to the Hamas-run health ministry. Rescuers indicated that a 5-story apartment was targeted, with social media footage showing bodies covered with blankets on the floor. The Israeli military has not commented on this specific strike. However, the Israel Defense Forces, IDF, have been conducting operations in northern Gaza for the past 2 weeks, particularly focusing on Jabalia, Beit Lahia, and Beit Hanoun, claiming that Hamas is regrouping in these areas. Hussam Abu Safia, director of the nearby Kamal Adwan Hospital in Jabalia, reported that the hospital is struggling to treat patients due to severe shortages of staff and medicine. There is nothing left in the Kamal Adwan Hospital except first aid materials after the army arrested our medical team and workers, he stated. The IDF conducted a raid on the hospital last week, alleging it was being used by Hamas fighters. In a statement on Tuesday, the IDF claimed to have killed 40 terrorists in Jabalia and many more in central Gaza over the past 24 hours. The humanitarian situation in northern Gaza is deteriorating, with hundreds of thousands living in dire conditions. UN Human Rights Chief Volker Turk criticized the Israeli military's actions, stating that they are subjecting the entire population to bombing, siege, and the risk of starvation. He also condemned the reported operations of Palestinian armed groups among civilians, which puts them at greater risk. On Monday, Israel's parliament passed legislation to prohibit the UN's Palestinian Refugee Agency, UNRWA, from operating in the country, raising concerns about the potential disruption of aid deliveries to Gaza. Israel's military campaign began following an unprecedented attack by Hamas on southern Israel on October 7, 2023, which resulted in around 1,200 deaths and 251 kidnappings. The health ministry in Gaza reports that over 42,924 people have died since the conflict escalated, though it does not differentiate between civilians and combatants in its statistics. Due to restrictions, international journalists, including those from the BBC, have limited access to Gaza, complicating efforts to verify information on the ground.